Guys, if you can, just try not to do raids without me. I mean, you guys can. I don't really care.
Wait,
Like,
but
I
we
would
don't
like to
even
do it
have
with you
any
guys.
fruits to awaken. I don't. The only new awakening is like dough, I think.
Dude, you know what? I'll just start rolling for you guys.
This is one of the computers of all time. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. I have rumble fruit now.
All the troubles we have to go through just to get into the stadium. I really use all Ajax Stadium.
That's nice English.
Like, what is it called? Those
Wait, it disappeared. The lightning disappeared.
You ran out of light. You're smoking. Like you activated gear 2 or
I don't know.
something.
Yeah.
And there's
Guys,
steam coming out of your body.
Dude, if rubber fruit becomes better, I'm gonna main it.
It is.
Like after an hour of playing blocks, I mean, like after like I don't know, like 5 months of playing blocks fruits, and then 5 months at playing GPO, you like the combat feels like it's slow motion, bro. Like I can't even move. It looks like I'm fighting in water, bro.
Huh.
That's why I don't like it. Well, you start speeding around. Like now main forces.
What are you saying? It's actually
Like
speaking enchantment table, bro.
33 damage to a Seabeast? Okay, no, I'm not.
Want me
The
to summon a
Seabeast
Seabeast?
can go kill itself.
Alright, I just summoned one.
Oh shoot, my boat is taking damage.
What?
He turned into a graph. He turned into Morse code.
That was crazy.
Yeah, for like a moment, your
like,
voice just started breaking.
It was
I
fire.
know. It would sound like speaking an alien language. Like he's gone crazy. Dude, and then as soon as he stopped talking, I was like, "Hey,
Wait, who joined?
take a recording." And then,
But we're still in the server.
What sword do you think I should?
No, because we joined before they shut down.
Oh yeah.
Code. This is hilarious.
Dude, you know what this reminds me of? This reminds me of that one meme where the Peter Griffin rice cracker one. Where it's just like
what?
Guys,
you know the meme? The meme where like Peter Griffin he eats something and then he just starts glitching out.
Oh yeah.
I know what you're talking about.
Bro, that's so understandable.
I tweet. You saw it?
Okay.
I want to call.
Bro.
GG's. But what is?
That's
Yeah, I understand you, Hunter.
Bro's getting DDoSed right now.
Bro, I agree with you, bro.
It's a Clash Royale
Yeah, I
stadium.
feel you. Clash Royale? You said something
Yo,
about
let me record this. I'm gonna record this.
I did. I am right now. I recorded every single part.
Okay, come on.
Alright.
Okay, I need to record this. This is gonna be really hard on my computer.
Yeah. Yeah, that's understandable. I feel you. Okay, there's only 100k playing. Yeah. Yeah,
Wait, actually,
how do you?
Tell me when the update starts. I'll leave the chat. I'll leave the call so you guys can play and record.
Bruh, when is it update?
I gotta go, guys.
Alright,
I'll see you guys later.
You do not have to go. You have to stay.
I'll see ya, Mr.